Have you ever had a situation where you weren't expecting anything, you weren't expecting anything to happen, you're going about your own day, minding your own business, and then boom, I mean, out of nowhere, the unexpected happens unexpectedly. Do you know what I mean? Is there anybody that can relate to this? Let me know. Have you ever had a situation where you thought everything was on even keel right now, okay? Nothing to get excited about, nothing to get mad about. And then boom, again, the unexpected happens unexpectedly. And I know y'all saying, what is she talking about? I am sorry, y'all. But sometimes I just need to express myself. But before I go ahead and get into the details of what I mean when I say the unexpected happens unexpectedly. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. Take a second and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything. Make sure to turn the notification bell to all. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to come back and hang out with me. And my channel members, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So, what happens unexpectedly, no one can prepare for. No one can say, okay, I'm ready. Let the unexpected happen. Because that's not the way it happens. That it does not happen that way. And if you think it happens that way, I'm sorry, I've been living long enough, you're wrong. Okay? Now, I gotta take a minute. Just give me a minute, please. Give me a minute. So, what am I talking about? Well, I'm gonna tell you something. The other day I was taking care of my business, minding my own business. And lo and behold, this big old giant box arrived for me. Oh my goodness, you're talking about unexpected. Ooh, when the unexpected happens unexpectedly. Ooh, I was so blown away. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look, y'all. It's another one of those beautiful bags in this box. In this box, I thought the other box was heavy. This box is heavy, okay? It's heavy, all right? So, oh my goodness, y'all. I can't hardly lift this up. Let me put it off my cutting board right quick. Oh my goodness. Ooh, tearing up the tissue paper. I actually had my husband bring this in for me because this was too heavy. I don't know what's in this box. I have not opened it past the cardboard. Ooh. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and there's a note. Oh, look at this the beautiful ribbon on here. I love these bags, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have to do this the proper way. Thank you so much. This gift says, Lord have mercy. The note says, with gratitude for everything you've taught all of us about cooking, food handling, and gardening. Ooh, if y'all don't know, my gardening channel at The Scaredy Cat Gardener on YouTube. Okay, it says, I'm sorry, that part wasn't in here. It says, you are amazing. And it's got a bunch of A's in there. And then it says, from Joan in Brooklyn, New York. Joan, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Ooh, am I gonna need some strong hands to get into this? Okay, let's open. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I better sit this down. Oh, I think I might need a box cutter or something. This was a heavy box. Ooh, okay. Oh, I can't hardly get in it. Okay, let me see. Ooh. Whoever wrapped this. Oh, it's tied over here too. Ooh. Oh, I can't get in it, y'all. What to do? Okay. Y'all need to show me what to do. I can't open it. I ain't trying to be funny this time, y'all, and I'm not being slow on purpose. What's going on? Okay. Let me scoot it back some. Let's calmly open the bag. We think, we hope. How come I can't get it open, y'all? Okay. It's not pulling through. Is there another knot or something in here? Okay. I'm gonna have to pause for a second to figure out how to get this open. Yes. This, see how short this string is, y'all? I wasn't playing with y'all. It was tied through the hole and was keeping it from coming through. See how easy I opened it up when I got that off there? Okay. Ooh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Tissue paper. Yes, I like tissue paper. Okay. I think y'all say, quit peeking and show us. I'm sorry, it's a black box. I don't know, I still don't know. I'm trying to get it open. Out of here at least. I don't know what that box could have got. Let's see. Pick it up and put. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Joan. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see what it is? Oh my goodness. This is a hex clad. Oh my God. 6 pieces are in here? Okay, let me get this piece of paper off of here. Ooh, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Amazing. Ooh, oh my goodness. Ooh, it says, welcome to the hybrid revolution. Oh, sookie, now I'm gonna be cooking up a storm now. Oh my goodness. It says, traditional nonstick plus cast iron plus stainless steel equals hex-clad hybrid. This is the best of all worlds. Like it says, it's nonstick plus it's cast iron plus stainless steel. Oh, Lord have mercy. Do you know I've always wanted one of these sets? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up because I know y'all like saying open it up, open it up. I'm not gonna open the whole set up because I don't want to unbox it till I get ready to use it. But look at this, y'all. It's in its own bag so that I can keep it stored. No dust, no nothing, no nothing. That means people in the house paws off. Son, husband, daughter, cousin, aunt, uncle paws off. This is my set. This is my set. Y'all hear me? Oh, Cooking at Pam's Place gonna be cooking up some stuff now. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, it's a hex-clad 6-piece set. Oh my goodness, let me see. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's a 12-inch fry pan with a 12-inch lid, a 10-inch fry pad. I'm so excited I can't talk. Pan with a 10-inch lid, and an 8-inch fry pan with an 8-inch lid. So this is the 12-inch. Ooh, sucky now. This must be the lid to it. Let me see how I gotta open this up neat because I keep my stuff packed away. Oh my goodness. Joan. This was the unexpected happening unexpectedly. Oh my good gracious Lord. Ooh, look at this, y'all. I'm gonna bring this up close so y'all can see good. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my god, look at it. Look how nice and heavy and tall the handle is. Look at that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. The lid has a venting hole so steam can be released. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful set. Oh my goodness. Once again, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. If you are new to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. Make sure it's set to all so you won't miss anything. Okay? I really appreciate my returning subscribers for coming back all the time and watching my videos when I post them. And channel members, thank you so much for your loyal, faithful support. Ooh, oh, sucky now. And, oh, I don't even have it out here. Oh, wait. This one's almost empty, but I get to use my Hexclad with my own Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning. Oh, yes. You ain't got it? You better get it. Okay, I'm done. Thank you all so much once again, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.